Hi guys, good morning. It's still good morning. It's about 11:50 on the 6th of August. August is rolling. I'm pretty much at a point where I'm perfecting my diet. There's a lot of experiments I've done over the last few months. And right now, for the last 3-4 days at least, since I got whey protein in, for the first time in my life, I've been hitting my protein target for the day, which is about 110 to 120 grams. I've never monitored before. I'm monitoring now, and I am ensuring that my protein target is met. Right. So I've invested everything that I had this year in trying to make my body and my mind, and I need fitness to be the top game that I have. Right. So. I've invested a lot this year in every way to fix my diet, fix my lifestyle, fix my routine. Obviously, I'm working on stand-up and writing. That's separate. That's my professional work. But fitness is again. I'm gonna figure out how to take it professionally also. Once I hit my target body, which is, I want a six-pack. And there are two goals, right? One is a short-term goal, one is a long-term goal. The short-term goal is a six-pack. The long-term goal is trying to live to 120 years. That's the long-term goal, all right? And I'm 45, so I'm looking at 75 years of work. Fuck retirement. I don't believe in retirement. People don't retire from work. They retire from life. You don't retire from work. You retire from life. All right, so I've been working on that, and last 1 week, my health is also kind of, last 1 month, for example, I had to fix a bunch of things with my health. For example, my dry eyes, I'm getting cured for right now. Sorry, this cough is once in a while. I don't have cough right now, but dry eyes is a problem I'm trying to solve right now. There are 2 eye drops. I'm taking vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12 right now because that was found to be insufficient in my body. So I'm trying to figure that part, right, to fix these shortage of vitamins in my body. So that's something I'm taking right now. Then I'm trying to fix protein in a way that it's sustainable. The way I've done diet this year is I don't want to fast. I've not been able to fast even a single day, but I fast about 12 to 14 hours every night. So that's the fast I do every day, right? Unlike doing a fast the whole day, I fast every night about 12 to 14 hours. So the difference between my last night's dinner and the morning breakfast is about 12 to 14 hours every day. That's how I'm kind of like scheduling my meals. Holding the phone in landscape position tires the hands, right? So I've been shifting my hands, right? So yeah. So basically that's a plan. So I'm trying to fix my diet. I'm trying to fix my protein in a way. So I'm trying to include ingredients. I'm eating in a way that's ensuring that I get enough protein, fiber, micronutrients, fats, vegetables. Something I'm struggling with because I live alone and I can't cook. But I did get mushrooms yesterday, broccoli also, and I had broccoli. I boiled broccoli today. I've cut mushroom myself and I put it in the omelette. So I'm spending time in the kitchen myself. So when I can't afford to cook right now. I can't afford a lot of shit right now, but I'm just investing everything I have. So I think I'll have to learn to cook in ways at least it's, so that I can don't spend a lot of time in the kitchen because I don't want to do that. But so I get my nutrition right. So I'm on that. I think by the end of August I'll perfect my diet. By the end of August the diet will be perfect. And at just some point in this year I will hit a six-pack. So I'm not rushing it now, but I'm pretty much fittest I've ever been. But at some point this year I should hit the six-pack. All right, so it's about 5 minutes to 11 now, because this video lasted about 4 minutes. So it's about 5 minutes to 11 now. I wish you a good day, night, evening, whatever time you're watching. Just try to be happy. Always try to be happy. Okay. We fail, and that's okay. It's a part of the process. Failure is giving up. I mean, when you give up, you fail. You don't fail if you give up. You can't fail if you give up. Right? You die trying. I mean, you might succeed, right? If you're not giving up, you might just succeed. Because that's what I'm on, right? I will die trying. If I don't succeed, I don't succeed. But the direction is important. The direction has to be right. Alright, because if you're going fast in the wrong direction, it's a waste of life. So no matter how high you reach, you will not be happy. So if you have been following me for a while, I don't have a lot of respect for success per se, because the way society perceives success, everybody has a different definition of success. But you can't have a different definition of happiness. So chase happiness, not success, right? Because happiness is inside you. It doesn't lie. It can't lie. Because it's in your fucking skin. Happiness in your skin, guys. Chase happiness in your skin. Alright, so alright, I'll catch you. Thank you. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's about 2:30. It's raining in Gurgaon right now, almost drizzling right now, so I'm out. I was at home most of the time. I was working on a video that's being edited, and so I've sent some notes to my editor. So that video should be out hopefully in the next 1 week. So that's pretty close to being finished. The other video is also recorded, so that should be out. Like, so the video is in progress, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so that's a separate video. Okay, but just tell me one thing now that I'm on it. Like, मेरी शक्ल पे लिखा है कि मुझसे अंग्रेज़ी में बात की जाए. मतलब मेरे को देख के लोगों की अंग्रेज़ी क्यों निकल जाती है? I just took a chai right from this roadside vendor. 10 रुपये की चाय बेच रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली वो सब लोगों से हिंदी में बात करता है. तो मैंने पूछा चाय कितने की है? ही लाइक सर 10 रुपीज़. और फिर मैंने पे किया तो ही इज़ लाइक थैंक यू सर. मतलब व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम? इज़ इट रिटन ऑन माई फेस कि मुझसे अंग्रेज़ी में बात की जाए? लाइक सबकी अंग्रेज़ी निकल जाती है मुझसे. जिनको अंग्रेज़ी नहीं भी आती ना, उनकी मुझे देख के अंग्रेज़ी निकल जाती है. So I think this is the day 6 of saying this, and I'm pretty happy I've been doing these videos, because when I say this, suddenly I feel powerful, right? And I feel that I'm saying something very powerful and strong, and I don't say this to you. I said this before. I say this to myself also, right? I believe in you, okay? I believe in you. विश्वास है मोहे तो पे थोड़ी हिम्मत है. Hey guys, the day review for 6th of August. There are 25 days left in this month. It is a 31-day month, and the rest of the 25 days, I conjecture, are going to be really busy. A lot of work to do, some administrative shit to attend to, which I won't enjoy, but I have to do. So overall, the day today was 7. I did a dance session only because I didn't lift, because lifting for the last 3 days continuously, so my body does really get tired. I have to really be conscious of when my body is tired. I did legs, arms, shoulders this week, plus I walked out of the gym on Monday, so I have to be really conscious of that. So today I did only dance. I didn't do swimming either. Tomorrow I have Man Maker schedule in the morning. It's a really nice workout. I hope I'm able to go. Then in the evening I have swimming scheduled. I've taken a break from swimming for the last 2 days, so hopefully I'll do that tomorrow. This is some, like I said, some administrative shit which is bothering me, which I need to attend to. But that's a part of life, and there are things part of life which are there. You know, there's a lot of baggage I'm carrying from my past, which needs to be attended. Cool. So overall, I think I'm feeling fine. The diet wise, my diet is really improved. I'm really tracking my protein every day, so that's pretty good. I'm moving towards the ideal utopian body I'm trying to build. So that I'm happy with. So I think that'll be it for now. Okay. So good night and try to be happy. I'll see you tomorrow.